we've got our selections tied to allowances that we just punched in. Let's take it to the next step, which is go to the estimate tab. So now what we've done is we've added those allowances, right? And so we're using Buildertrend's estimating functions, but only part of them because we still have an Excel estimate that we import. So really what's happening is currently we're double dipping on our allowances and selections, and I'll show you. Well, so here's what we just did. Whenever we punched a number in that top right hand corner, it generated into this markup category. So whenever we open up our general items and scroll all the way down to the bottom, we're going to see 17,599 with a quantity of 1. That number should match this number down here that we manually built in. So let's just set that quantity to 0. And that is a good double check that you, when you're copying your math over, $200 for the disposal, that at the end of the day, the totals should be the same, right? The totals from this page, 17,599, once all these are put in, should be the same whenever you actually build them into the allowances. So I like to set that quantity to 0 as opposed to changing. You could change that total to 0, but I like to have that record just to make sure that the two are equaling. So now we're not double dipping, and we're back to our original contract price. And now we're okay to approve the estimate. So I wouldn't even go to this estimate page until you've already built in all your allowances, and then come in here, go to your general items, subtract that one, the very last item, allowances and selections, set that quantity to 0, and that should match the markup